Hey guys, I'm Clyde Demery and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. Fishing this place today, awesome place, man. I mean, it's got structure, overhangs, lay down, you name it. But one simple thing, I noticed that all the places of body of water that I've been fishing, the water's real low. So this water is real low also, but y'all guys sit back, enjoy. Let's see if we can get on a few. First one this morning, guys. Let's get them on the board. I ain't gonna lie, guys, it's cold, it's windy, got a nice ripple on the water, guys, and got my first one this morning, guys. Let's go. Let's get it back in the water. Felt like a hit. Oh, there it goes. Come here, buddy. Let's go. It's my second one. Deep diver. Close that mouth. All right, let's get this one back. Number 2. Thanks, buddy. What in the heck? What is that? Oh my goodness. Was that a turtle or a crocodile? I hope it was a turtle. That thing was huge. Got another one. Don't you do it. 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 Number 3. Let's go. Number 3. Let me take a few minutes to show you guys what I'm using to catch bass with this morning. Oh, by the way, I got my 5 bass limit already. I'm using the deep diver right here, and I can't think of the name who has this, where I got it from. I think it's Strike King, if I'm not mistaken. But this right here is my Shimano SLX DC. I'm using 30-pound braid. And this right here, I think is a 7-foot medium heavy. So, hey, let's see if we can catch any more. Let's keep it going. All right, number 4. Let's get her back in the water. Look, guys, I'm doing it right there. Look, guys, I'm talking to my sister this morning, and she blessed me, and I got my 5 bass limit. Whoo! All right, guys, I just got on my I just got on my 5 bass limit, y'all. I just got on my 5 bass limit. Let's go. My other GoPro ain't working. I don't know what's wrong with that thing, but hey, I got this one. Let's get this girl. Wait a minute. You know something? Let me do a short right quick. Alright, guys, fishing this place and just got on my 5 bass limit. Let's go. Let's get this girl back in the water. All right, my 5 bass limit, you guys. Let's get this girl back in the water. You had to have attitude. If you see right here how that point kind of comes out in the water, I'm fishing it. I'm going from the shallow because it's no hangs or nothing in this water, not right here that I can tell. I'm fishing it from the bank in the shallow water, letting it come down into the deep water. And what I'm doing, I'm just slowing it down, and they just going, they just grabbing it. I mean, nice. This is a very nice point form. So the wind is coming this way, and the bait fish is kind of on this side. So what they're doing, they in here on this side, away from the wind, and the wind is blowing the bait fish this way, and they just grabbing them. I mean, this is good, man. couldn't be a better day. The wind is working with you. It's just a little bit aggravating when you're trying to keep the boat straight, but hey, it's well worth it. Oh, just got on another one. I'm rating this up. You gotta be kidding me. Boy, now these right here, these are the bass that will actually get the hooks in your hand. So you really gotta be careful with these little energized rascals right here. They will hook you up. All right, buddy, be still. Be still. I can't believe, as small as you is, you went for this bait as big as it was. I cannot believe this. This right here is what will get them hooks in your hand. You can believe it. Let's get them back in the water. All right, guys. First time casting adventures. 5 bass limit. A phenomenal day. I can't complain at all, guys. So, hey, to the next video. Oh, all you subscribers and people who watch my content, I appreciate you guys so much. That make me want to get out here, even during the fall, cold, wind, make me want to do more videos. Hey, I got to keep it going, you guys, because y'all guys help me out, leave comments and everything. I really appreciate that. Until the next video, y'all guys have a good one and have a safe.